speaker, Mr. Sath, evaluated by Priyanka.
Good evening, Toastmasters. Good evening. And speaker in particular. Sath, you began your speech in a very descriptive way. Now, when you describe what's happening in the speech, your audience, they tend to get weaved into your speech. I think excellent job on that. We all could connect to your speech. We were all into the speech. I feel like I'm reviewing a movie more than evaluating a speech. So that's how complete your speech was. Your introduction had fantastic details, so we could visualize a lot. Now, you built images in our mind, and I think at the end of the speech that still remains in our mind, even though we had a break, that it's still there, the speech is still there. Now, excellent introduction of characters. I think when you introduced your mother, there was that little sense of humor about typical Indian mothers. I really appreciate that. You have wonderful storytelling skills. When you have a message and when you have to put it across to the audience, when you weave it in the form of a story, it becomes easier to take it back home. So I think fantastic job in that again. Now moving to the body, the speech focuses on general purpose and specific purpose. The specific purpose was of course to share your memories, the nostalgia. But your general purpose, I'm a little disappointed. You have to focus on to persuade or to inspire or to inform or something like that. But your general purpose was very general. I think your general purpose was to make us cry. It was that emotional. Thank you for making this speech emotional. That shows what a sensitive person you are throughout your speech. Now, in your body, you had a lot of philosophy and model. When you said you don't value things at home, I could see that. I could see the person you are in your speech. It was shining across your speech as you started. Now when you said things like when you value things, you don't value things when you have them, but when you don't, you do. And you had a fantastic message of belonging to a person, belonging to a surrounding. I think in a Toastmaster circle, to belong to the circle, it's very important. I think that was something that I could relate to. Now, another correction. You were just at one place. I wish you had moved around so that it does not get a little monotonous. But otherwise, I've known you for quite a long time, and when you speak, I probably expected that, okay, I must have known this, okay, I think I know this, okay. But no, not at all. You were a surprise today. The whole speech was a surprise, and that is a very important thing that we as speakers should learn, to never get repetitive. And that is excellent job done by you. Congratulations. I think 4 years, in your speech, you began as a little scared person, but after 4 years passed, you told us what kind of a person you were. The speech was more about you, and this is the first time I'm listening to you speak on stage for a project, and this is probably the last time. I think you are leaving a fantastic image that where you're going. You're a fantastic person, and I think we all should appreciate that, shouldn't we? You have given a project 3 that's a complete package, and you have been a complete package to the club. Thank you for that.
Sada, you took me back to my college days. Though I was a day scholar, a lot of my friends were hostelers, so I used to go and spend some time in the hostel. So I know a bit of what hostel life is. And as far as Priyanka said, your general purpose was general. No, there is what is called as informative. Your speech was informative about hostel life. I think you did a wonderful job, and the rest of it was beautifully evaluated by Priyanka. I think the evaluator and the speaker deserve big applause.